You will create a folder inside the same HTML folder only. The folder name HTML-project1. Off your mic. Create a folder HTML project1, and in that HTML project1 folder you will store some photos. Keep some photos there. HTML project1 folder, keep some photos, 1 2 3 4 photos. HTML project1 folder, and inside the HTML project1 folder 3 4 photos. Okay, you need this laptop, but you told you will come in 2:30 batch. December 8th, no? So 2:30 you need to come, no? In this now you will, that you will get confused, no benefit at all. No, you can't learn like this, no? One day this time, another day that time. That way you can learn. If you want to take laptop, take it, but no use. They have understood something, then they will write. Hello. Hello. Yeah, madam. Not fit in this batch. From day after, come at 2:30. Don't come tomorrow, come day after 2:30. Okay, so next folder is created and we kept some photos inside also. Now inside this HTML project1 folder, create a file. Give file name index.html, index.html. Index.html. The project HTML project we are creating based on frame set. In that one benefit we have seen how to divide the page into multiple blocks. The second benefit of the frame set we have not seen still. That is called without reloading the page. In index file, we will start from HTML and will divide into multiple blocks using the frame set. Let's go inside. Row wise division you do. Rows equal to 1, 2, 3 call is about to come 4:30. I will be picking that. Hello. हाँ हेलो बोलिए. हाँ 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 हाँ. पीटीयू से फाइनलाइज कर लिया पीटीयू से. Okay, so frame set rows equal to first give as a 10% or not 10%. First give as a 8%. Second give as a 10%. Third give as a 67%. Last give as a 10%. 67%. 67%. And then give 1, 5, 15%. This way. Rows 8, 10, 67, 15. So hope it's 100 only. 3 blocks you are going to create. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. 8 plus 10 plus 67 plus 1, 5. Oh, 1, 5 plus 100. Okay, right inside again. Border equal to 0. No any border. After that, come inside. Frame SRC equal to frame SRC equal to one is called info.html, the first file. Second will be header.html or nav.html. Third will be called welcome.html or maybe home.html. And fourth will be myfooter.html. Try this. And for every block, you give a name equal to block 1. Give a property here name called block 2. Block 2. Second name block 3. The third name block 4. For every block, write name block 1, 2, 3, 4. For every block, write some name block 1, 2, 3, 4. After writing this, if you run your file, you will find the page is broken into 4 sections. The total height of the screen will divide into 4 sections. Once you complete this, let me know. We can move next. Page will divide into total 4 blocks. Info, nav, home, footer. Info, nav, home and footer. Ready? Page is dividing into how many blocks? 4 blocks. Okay, let me run my page also. And that look like this. Total 4 blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3 and block 4. It will say page not found. Simply gray color will come. If you want to identify border, you can remove. If you remove the border, your confusion will get removed. Remove the border from frame set, your confusion will get removed automatically. It will look like this. Remove the frame set border and then check. Border we can remove later also. Once we complete all the pages, we can remove the border. Shall we move next for the info file? Go ahead. Info.html file to create. Info.html file. Create a file with the background as blue color, complete blue color. Info.html file, bg color will be blue. For body, bg color will be blue. Anyone is still writing or done? Okay, then I'll move next to the info file. Info.html file. Info.html file. HTML you will start from. Body you are going to follow. And under the body, you will write the BG color equal to blue color. And inside that, you will follow a table with the align equal to center and cell padding equal to somewhere, cell padding equal to 10. Cell padding no need to write. Follow the width property. Width property 80%. So it will occupy the 80% of the area in center of the screen. 80% of area in center of a screen. Now background is blue color. So inside the blue color, which color will be visible? White color. Inside the BG, which color will be visible? Open the font tab. Inside that, font color equal to white.
So you are not audible, sir. Your voice is breaking.